Hello everyone, this is Gong and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Happy Chinese New Year and welcome to the year of red. Yay! As you can see on my table, there are plenty of decoration, all in red and glittering gold. Some of it I bought it recently and some of course is actually recycled from last year's. Well anyway, having a look at this, let's try to do something interesting about this. Wow, look at this amazing piece of table lamp. Personally, I love this idea very much because I believe that anything that is vibrating is bringing a lot of energy. And I believe that this table lamp will bring a lot of positive energy, a lot of luck and fortune to the people around you. You should consider doing this at home. If you enjoy watching my video, please give me a like and share my video. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell, ding ding, for my upcoming videos. So I'll see you in the next episode of ATKC Home Improvement Show. Yeah!